agency, and I cannot wait to show you unit number 8 of 28 to 30 Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. Let's go and check it out. Sprawling over 2 levels, I really like how you can just live on one. With the master bedroom upstairs, I love the functional layout of the connectivity from the kitchen through to the living and dining areas. But my absolute favourite feature of this property has to be the panoramic ocean views throughout. Have it for unit number 8 of 28 to 30 on Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. If low maintenance living with panoramic ocean views and affordable body corporate fees is what you seek, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.